Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to find the square or cube of a matrix. Suppose we have a matrix, the order of this matrix is 3 by 3. Okay, but the matrix which you have, the order can be 2 by 2 or 3 by 2 or 3 by 3. This can be of any order. So we are supposing a matrix of order 3 by 3. What we will do, we will press mode, again mode, and again mode. You can see here written mat at 2. Mat means matrix, so press 2 for getting matrix. We are pressing 2. You can see the mode is matrix. Now for entering the value of our matrix, we have to press shift and this 4. You can see here dimension, edit and matrix. Now you have to enter the dimension of your matrix, which is 3 by 3. Now this can be denoted by m into n, where m is the number of rows and n is the number of column. Now for getting dimension into calculator, press 1. Here select matrix A is equal to 1. Press 1 for getting matrix A. Now you have to press the value of m. M is 3. Pressing 3 equal to n. N is 3. So again press 3. Again equal to. You have to put the values. A11 means 2. A12 means 3. A13 means 1 and so on. So A11 is 2 for us. Pressing 2 equal to. A12 is 3, pressing 3 equal to. A13 is 1, pressing 1 equal to. A21 is 3 equal to. A22 is 0 equal to. A23 is 3 equal to. A31 is 2 equal to. A32 is 1 equal to. A33 is 2. Again press equal to. You can see we have entered the value of elements of matrix. Now what you have to do, you have to press AC. After pressing AC, again press shift and again press this mat means 4. Now you have to press 3 for getting mat. I am pressing 3. You can see here this is our matrix A which we have entered. So press 1 for getting A. We are pressing A1. You can see here this is written as mat A, means our matrix A is entered in the calculator. Now we have to tell to the calculator that which process we want to do with this matrix A. Suppose you have to find a square of this matrix A. What we will do, you can see here written as x square. Just press this button. Look, we are pressing this button. Here we can get A square. Now press equal to, you can get A square. Suppose you have to find cube of this matrix. What you have to do, you have to just press shift and again x square. You can get onto cube. Okay, so for cube, shift x square, and for square, directly x square. Now how can I get the cube? Just press equal to. You can see the element, our first element is 77. Our first element is 77. Now press this button for getting second element is 58. Again press this 62. Again this 2 is 78. Again this 45, 66, 64, 42 and 53. Okay, so these are the elements of x cube. So this is how you can find the square or cube of a matrix. Thank you.